In this video, I'm going to show you how you can choose a thumbnail for your Instagram video. Now, first of all, go to the Instagram video that you want to post and then click on next. So let me do that right now. And then right there, you actually want to click on cover, which is at the right bottom, right there at bottom. So you have filter, trim, and cover. So select cover. And then right there, you can actually go ahead and select the thumbnail for your Instagram video. Now, if you want to select a frame that's not available, you can actually trim this. So let me just do this right now. So let's say I just wanted to get a frame that this person is closer to the ball, okay? Then you can trim this a little bit. Then if I just go back, you can actually get a frame that's closer to the ball. So in this case, it didn't work out. He's actually further away. But let me just do this once again. You just have to play around with this until you actually get it. As you can see right there, right now he's close to the ball. That's exactly how you can actually select a thumbnail for your Instagram video on any device basically. So if this helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that. And then good luck choosing covers on Instagram.